Welcome to our channel Handy Worksheets. In this video, we are going to learn the poem The Earth is Round. Okay, now listen the poem. Do you know the shape of the earth? The earth is round in shape. In this poem, a dog and a frog are traveling far and finally they found the earth is round. Okay, come let's see how they found the earth is round. The earth is round. A frog is sitting on a log. Standing near is a shaggy dog. Bow wow, says dog. Bow wow to you. And the frog says, how do you do? A frog is sitting where? A frog is sitting on a log. What is mean by log? Log means a branch which has fallen from the tree or cut off from the tree. Okay. Standing near is a shaggy dog. Who is standing near the frog? A dog. A dog is standing near the frog. Bow wow, says dog. Bow wow to you. The dog says bow wow to the frog. And the frog says, how do you do? We usually see one person. First question will ask for what? How are they? Okay. That is why the frog asks, how do you do? To the dog. If you like, says dog, come with me. Have a ride on my back for free. We will walk and talk and travel far. No need for plane, train, boat, or car. If you like, says dog, come with me. The dog says that come with me to the frog. Have a ride on my back for free, free of cost. It offers a ride to the frog. We will walk and talk and travel far. The dog is planned for a walk to traveling far. No need for plane, train, boat, or car. How do you travel one place to another place? We can use plane or train or boat or car or bike or cycle, something we will use now. But the dog says we can travel one place to another by walk at free of cost. How nice, says frog, for I have heard from a dear friend of mine, a bird, that the earth is not flat but round, and the sky never meets the ground. Now the frog said, how nice. Yes, everyone likes to travel with dear friends, isn't it? Now the frog also said, it heard something from a bird. What is that? The earth is not flat but round, and the sky never meets the ground. Have you ever seen the sky meets the ground? No, I also did not see the sky never meets the ground. So off they go for a whole day. The ride's fun, I'm happy to say, and they find that the earth is round. The sky never touches the ground. And they finally found that sky never touches the ground and the earth is round. So the sky never touches the ground. Okay, let's read the poem. Bow wow, says dog. Bow wow to you. And the frog says, how do you do? If you like, says dog, come with me, have a ride on my back for free. We will walk and talk and travel far. No need for plane, train, boat, or car. How nice, says frog, for I have heard from a dear friend of mine, a bird, that the earth is not flat but round, and the sky never meets the ground. So off they go for a whole day. The ride's fun, I'm happy to say, and they find that the earth is round. The sky never touches the ground. Now let's do the exercise part. Understanding the poem. Answer the following questions. In the poem, where does the frog sit? The frog sits on a log. Is the dog furry? Yes, the dog is furry because we read the dog is shaggy. Do they go by car? No, the frog rides on the back of the dog because the dog offers a ride for free. How long do they go for? They go for a whole day. Talk about the following with your teacher. Is the dog kind? In what ways is he kind? Are you kind? Are you kind? But the dog is kind because it offers a ride for free of cost to the frog. So he is so kind. Is the earth flat or round? How do we know? The earth is round because the sky is never touches the earth. So the earth is round. Working with words. Find words with the opposite meaning in the poem. Come. Opposite word of come. Go. Sad. Happy. Always. Never. Near. Far. Night. Day. Okay. We have finished the reading of the poem and exercise of the poem. Now let's see the answers in slides. Hope this video is helpful to you to learn the poem The Earth is Round. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you.